Parang ang bahay mo anak mo. Hindi na pala yan.
Nasaan na?
Kinakapakot.
Wala ko rin para no.
Lagi naman yung ako mo. Nagbuhat ko.
My fellow students, teachers, and beloved parents, may the grace of our Lord be with us as we all gather here for a celebration of achievements. We had hardships, but with the help of our supportive teachers and good-hearted assistants who made it through. In my stay at NFWC, I learned that the family with people with us will guide us to the right place and will never harm us in any way.
Relax ko anak mo.
Farewell, my school, so taught me determination and courage, which should be used wisely as we continue our journey. To my mommy and daddy, you're one big factor why I am standing here. I love you so much.
Talaga naman.
To teacher Lola, thank you because your passion has ripened valuable fruits and here we are as your proof. My classmates, thank you for treating me as a sister. And to teacher Lori, you gave us quality foundation for our future. I will definitely meet your teachers along the way, but your patience and love to us will never be forgotten. Surely, we may be small today, but we have the power to do anything and achieve everything. Let's not be afraid to dream. Dream big. Good afternoon and God bless us all. Thank you, Princess, for the wonderful speech.
Next would be Ethan Fogel P. Alvarez from Peter A.M. class.
Graduates were going to meet you from the bottom of my heart.
Ayun.
Yan ang hindi niya nasabi.
Kaya ka ba?
Our beloved